Hey guys, I'm going to show us how to set up a MailChimp account. Now I'd advise you do this on a desktop, but if you want to use a mobile phone, then make sure you check desktop mode. Okay, type in your browser MailChimp.com, then sign up free. Input your email. I'm going to use another email. Then input your username. This doesn't matter, it can be any username, it doesn't have to be your business name. So I'll just use setup demo. So use a password. As you can see, all these have to be checked. You have to use a lowercase, an uppercase, then one number, a special character, a number. All set. Okay, that works. Okay, then we should check our email address and save your password. Check your email address. Okay, I'll just use an incognito browser. Mail.google. If you have you're logged into your email, you can just check your mobile phone and just confirm it. Then just log in. Okay, there you have it. Activate your MailChimp account. Activate account. Then check this, I'm not a robot. Okay, there you go. You choose a free account. Then you can see here we have free plan at 2000 contacts. Complete. Then you can put your first name. Then since this is a demo account, let me just digital marketing. Now if you have a website, just input your URL, but since we don't have a website, click no and continue. Now this is important, so you need to put an address. Just put okay. Then then you have Ocean State, country is Nigeria. Click continue. Now it's asking if you have a list of email subscribers. No, since we are starting from scratch. Okay, you can connect your social media, but I'll skip this for now to keep this video short. Okay, let's find the marketing part. I'll also skip this. Then you can check this, it's optional. Okay, before we start this, let's skip this for now. we'll come back to those. Let's skip this. Now go to audience. From audience, you click import contacts. If you have a contact on your phone as a CSV file or as a text file, then you can click here and you can just import. Or you can copy. If you have an Excel file, then you can copy from an Excel sheet. Then here, this is where you can import a contact from maybe Google Drive, Google Contacts, and all these other platforms. The one I'm familiar with, Google Contacts. That's if you have the contact of your phone in your Gmail to be in Google Contacts. Then you authorize. And click allow. Okay, now you are connected to Google Analytics and contacts and documents. We are going to see how to analyze our result later on. Now you go back to that audience. That was just linking your account to MailChimp. Back to audience, then do it again. Okay, I think you can just import a contact right here. Then integrated service. Google Contact. Continue to set up. Now you can choose the box that you want. Maybe you want the name of the those particular people on your contact. You want the first name, their last name. Maybe you want their organization. I think that's enough. Then you continue to match. Just edit this and save. Okay, you make a selection, email address, save. Yeah, make a selection. Use the first name, save. Make a selection, and that's the last name. And these are the 3 boxes we selected. Then you continue. You can create a tag. Just create a tag. My Google contacts. It's good to cut. Okay. There you have it. Okay, just leave it as subscribed. Update X16 contacts. But since we don't have any, okay. Existing contacts. Okay, then you can go back to audience dashboard. So these are your tags. Okay, there you have the tags, my Google contact. Then you can add a new tag here. But if this doesn't show up, you can just go to add a new tag. So let me show you some things that are important. Let's go to settings. So before we send out an email, there are some settings that we need to do, like required email footer. That's very important. Okay, this is important, but it's already written here, and it's because it's an anti-spam feature, so that your message won't go to spam. And then your company is already there, digital marketing. Then your contact name. This is the name is going to show up that, oh, this is the person trying to contact you. So I can say you should use your company name as well. And this is your email address. This is the email address that's going to show, like, this email was sent from this address. Like when you send an email out, you have sent from, your address will be there. So this is why you changes to a business email address. You can create one for the purpose of your business. Okay, then your phone number, this will not be showing in your email footer. You can put that. Then you can edit all these other stuffs. Then your website URL.